Good evening, Ames, Iowa. I'm Rick Branch here on KCCO TV5, News at 5. We're going live to our very own Stacy Summers, who is on scene now with a breaking news report. Stacy.
Thank you, Rick Branch. I am live on the scene here in Ames, Iowa, where it looks as if an unidentified flying object has crashed. Eyewitnesses on the scene are claiming it to be a spaceship. Nothing this wild has happened to Ames since the man with a giant stick was wandering around campus. We have no signs of... Oh wait. What's happening?
We are not the same. I am a Martian.
Greetings from Planet Wheezy. We will begin transmission in 5, 4, 3, 2...
Call 911 now!
Found home!
Wave sick.
Found home!
Wave sick.
Found home!
Wave sick.
Found home!
Wave sick.
And if you feel like you're the best, go ahead and do the Wheezy Wee.
Found home!
Wave sick.
Found home!
Wave sick.
You know, they don't speak alien. In English, please.
Excuse me. Hello? Are you all right?
No, it's okay. I'm Koi, and this is Ziga. And we're here to help you. Our ship was knocked off course by a meteor, and we know it is headed your way. If you don't do something soon, Ames will be destroyed.
Wait, did you say a meteor? How can this be happening? We must report this to the people of Ames!
We're live in 3, 2.
This is Stacy Summers, back reporting live at the crash, where we have received information of a catastrophic meteor that is en route to hit Ames, Iowa. Currently, we are telling all the residents of Ames, Iowa to stay indoors. People, put on your big girl panties, because this place is about to blow.
It's time to kill the lights and shut the DJ down. This place about to blow. This place about to blow.
Can you believe what's happening here? We made 3.5 years at Iowa State, and now all of our traditions are about to end.
No more Visha, no more homecoming, no more super dogs, and most of all, no more Greek week.
Yeah, I never even found out who my ISU admirer was.
We heard you talking, and we are here to help. We think we can stop this meteor if we work together. What's your name?
I'm Michael, and this is Carol. How can we shrink this meteor?
Back home, we use magic whenever we're in trouble.
The only magic we have here is Hilton magic.
Well, with enough spirit, any magic can work. Let's get everyone to Hilton and stop this meteor.
Are you sure about this? I'm still a little nervous.
Get it together, Carol. It's time.
'Cause after all, the city never sleeps at night. It's time to begin, isn't it? I get a little bit bigger, but then I'll admit I'm just the same as I was. Now don't you understand that I'm never changing who I am?
Thanks again for joining us tonight on KCCO TV5 News at 5. I'm Rick Branch.
And I am Chuck Baldwin. Joining us tonight are Michael, Carol, Zakar, and Coy, here to inform us of their own way to save Ames from the meteor. Carol, what exactly are your plans?
We believe Hilton magic can shrink the meteor.
Okay, Miss Carol. I'm sorry, do you even go here?
Where we're from, magic can do anything, and we've heard great things about Hilton magic.
Hilton Magic can do anything, even shrink a meteor.
Now we need you, Ames, to help us out. Everyone needs to go to Hilton immediately. More people will create more spirit and more magic, which will shrink the meteor.
This may sound crazy, but we only have 1 hour left until the meteor's supposed to hit. It's worth a try.
Well, you heard them, folks. What are you waiting for? If we want to save our community, then this is our last chance.
We finally made it!
Look at all these people here. You guys weren't kidding about Hilton Magic.
Hilton rise up?
All right, here put the bloody question mark on the teleprompter.
Hilton rise up!
Y'all ready for this? We've only got 4 minutes!
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Time is waiting. We only got 4 minutes to save the world. No hesitating. Grab a boy, grab a girl. Time is waiting. We only got 4 minutes to save the world. No hesitating. We tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
Break down.
Look out! Here it comes!
We did it! Hilton Magic really can do anything!
Oh, hey! I just got the ISU alert!
Me too! Well, it's been a crazy couple of days for Ames, Iowa. But thanks to a couple of brave students and new friends, we came together as one community with one mission to save our tradition. Once again, this is Stacy Summers with KCCO TV5 saying, stay classy, Ames.
Hey, brother, do you still believe in one another? Hey, sister,